Welcome to your weekly crypto recap. This first week of June 2025 brought major shifts. From Bitcoin's mining adjustment to new institutional moves and market action. Let's break down the week's most important crypto stories. Bitcoin's mining difficulty dropped by 4.5% this week, giving miners some much-needed relief. This adjustment means it's now easier and more profitable for miners to find new blocks. The drop likely reflects some miners pausing operations due to higher costs or less efficient hardware. Lower difficulty helps struggling miners stay online and can stabilize the network's hash rate. This automatic adjustment is a core part of Bitcoin's resilience, keeping block time steady and the network secure. It's a reminder of how Bitcoin adapts to changing conditions, reinforcing its long-term strength. For miners, this breather is a welcome sign in a competitive landscape. Brown University made headlines by allocating about $15 million to a Bitcoin ETF. This marks a significant step for institutional adoption, as Ivy League endowments are known for their conservative strategies. Bitcoin ETFs offer regulated, familiar access to crypto, no need for complex custody or private keys. Brown's move could influence other universities and conservative funds to consider digital assets. It's a strong signal that Bitcoin is gaining credibility among traditional investors. Even a small allocation from a major endowment helps legitimize crypto as part of a diversified portfolio. Institutional interest like this is key to crypto's mainstream growth. MicroStrategy added 5,000 more Bitcoin this quarter, bringing its total to over 220,000 BTC. The company's aggressive buying, led by Michael Saylor, cements its role as a corporate Bitcoin pioneer. MicroStrategy's stock now acts as a proxy for Bitcoin exposure in public markets. The firm also plans to introduce a new Bitcoin value per share metric, giving investors clearer insight into its holdings. This move further aligns the company's identity with Bitcoin's performance. MicroStrategy's ongoing accumulation continues to influence market sentiment and inspire other corporations. Their bold strategy keeps them at the center of the crypto conversation. Crypto markets were mixed this week, with total market cap steady around $2.6 trillion. Bitcoin hovered near $69,000, dipping midweek, but recovering to $68,800. Ethereum mirrored Bitcoin, trading around $3,780. Solana and BNB held strong, while altcoins like Render and Celestia posted double-digit gains. The market is consolidating, with investors watching for the next catalyst, be it regulatory news or institutional moves. Narratives around real-world assets and decentralized infrastructure are gaining traction. Despite sideways action, sentiment remains cautiously optimistic. The market's resilience hints at underlying strength. Major headlines this week included NovaPay expanding its stablecoin pilot, now supporting USDC on more blockchains for faster, cheaper payments. South Korea's regulators released new guidelines for crypto service providers, aiming for greater investor protection and clarity. Regulatory clarity, even if strict, is seen as positive for long-term growth. DeFi protocol Aave launched its V4 upgrade, adding risk management and new collateral options. These developments show how both corporations and regulators are pushing crypto forward. Innovation in DeFi and stablecoins is accelerating, while regulatory frameworks are catching up. The interplay between tech, business, and regulation is shaping the industry's future. Crypto's evolution is a global, multifaceted story. This week showcased crypto's rapid evolution from Bitcoin's network adjustment to institutional adoption and ongoing innovation. What was once niche is now mainstream, with universities, corporations, and regulators all playing a role. Each story is part of a larger trend: crypto's maturation and integration into global finance. Staying informed is key as the landscape shifts. Which story stood out to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next week for more crypto insights.